Hello friends, welcome to the video. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Target Prelims 2022. Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the most important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. This Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. So Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target Prelims 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant and will sail you through UPSC CSE exam very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, which of the following are the characteristics of Indian coal? So statement number 1 is high ash content, second low sulfur content, third low ash fusion temperature. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. So the option number A is 1 and 2 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number A 1 and 2 only. So Indian coal has high ash content and low calorific value. It has low sulfur and low phosphorus content but high ash fusion temperature. So Indian coal is the important theme for UPSC prelims examination. So this question was asked by UPSC in 2013 examination, and in 2020 and 21 also UPSC has asked questions about Indian coal. So you should cover this topic holistically. So now let us discuss question number second. The seasonal reversal of winds is the typical characteristic of option number A equatorial climate, B Mediterranean climate, C monsoon climate, D all of the above climates. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C monsoon climate. Monsoon is the only climate which is having reversal of wind between seasons. So these climates are very important from UPSC point of view. So UPSC again asked this question in 2021. So this theme is very important. So the theme is word climate. So you should cover this theme very holistically. So now let us discuss question number third. Which one of the following pairs of states of India indicates the easternmost and westernmost state? So the options are A. Assam and Rajasthan, B. Arunachal Pradesh and Rajasthan, C. Assam and Gujarat, D. Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat are the easternmost and westernmost states. So this was the question that was taken from Indian geography. So you can read more about it from standard sources such as NCERTs. So now let us discuss question number 4. With reference to the management of minor minerals in India, consider the following statements. Statement number 1. Sand is a minor mineral according to the prevailing law in the country. Second, State governments have the power to grant mining leases of minor minerals, but the powers regarding the formation of rules related to the grant of minor minerals lie with the central government. Third, state governments have the power to frame rules to prevent illegal mining of minor minerals. So, which of the following given statements are correct? Option number A, 1 and 3 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 3 only, D, 1, 2 and 3 only. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number A, 1 and 3 only. By and large, non-metallic, non-energy minerals fall under minor mineral category. So statement number 1 is true. So section number 15 of MMDR Act 1957 empowers state governments to frame rules for regulating the grant of quarry leases, mining leases, or other mineral concessions in respect of minor minerals. Accordingly, all state governments and some union territories have framed their own rules in this regard. So that means statement number second is false and statement number 3 is correct. Accordingly, the answer is option number A, 1 and 3 only. So this mineral is the important theme for UPSC Prelims examinations. So UPSC has asked questions on minor and major minerals. So you should cover these topics from standard sources. Even in 2020 prelims, UPSC has asked questions on minor and major minerals. So now we will discuss that question only. So the next question is, consider the following minerals: 1. Bentonite, second chromite, third kyanite, fourth sillimanite. So in India, which of the above minerals are officially designed as major minerals? So option number A, 1 and 2 only, B, 4 only, C, 1 and 3 only, D, 2, 3 and 4 only. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, 2, 3 and 4 only. So chromite is a metallic mineral and metallic mineral are mostly in the major mineral category according to official sites of the Ministry of Mines. So 2, 3 and 4 are listed as major mineral. So the answer is option number D. So this question was asked in 2020 prelims. So as I have told you that this theme of major and minor minerals are very important from UPSC exam point of view. So prior to 2019 and 20, UPSC has already asked questions on minor and major minerals. So you should cover this topic holistically. So that's it about this video. So you can subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So thank you very much.